this video I have come up with entrepreneurship and biotechnology related courses, so which was your suggestions. You requested to provide the free courses for that, so I am providing the free courses for entrepreneurship and biotechnology. So let us first go to the entrepreneurship first. So without wasting time, let us get started. So you can see the website here. This is startupindia.upgrade, and this course is provided by the Upgrade website. So Upgrade company provides this course, and it is an initiative, as everyone know about the Startup India initiative by our government. So it will be having series of the sessions with means you will be getting to know the ideas of the entrepreneurs like Oyo. So many companies are there, the startup ideas of them and their experiences, all and everything will be there in this course. So I have done 1 to 3 modules. So from that experience I am saying it is really good, and you will be getting the idea from the startup entrepreneurs who started the startup. So the main advantage of this website is you will be having the course in 2 languages, English and Hindi. So this course is of English, so you will also get the course in Hindi, and you will also be getting the certification after you finish the course. So you can see here there are 7 modules are there. So you can also see the discussion, so you can also discuss if you have any doubts. So this is home. So program, you can see whatever you will be learning in this course, and this course is free and you can enroll. If you haven't registered for Startup India in Upgrade, then you can just register in Startup in Upgrade. So this program is really useful if you are thinking or planning to start a company or become an entrepreneur. You can also see the due dates here. So 21st October 2020. So before that you have to finish this course. So you have plenty of time and you can finish it, but it is also having the time. You can see here 2 hours, and you can also see how much time you require to finish this module. So this is about the Startup India program, which is provided by the Upgrade. You will be getting that in English and Hindi. So if I go to the startupindia.government.in, then you can see the website is there, and you will be seeing so many plans and schemes provided by the government to promote the startups. Please go through all this. I will be providing the link in the description, and it will really help for the Make in India and for Startup India also. So the link will be provided in the description. So this is about the entrepreneurship. So this is the course, and I will also provide the link in the description. So let us go to the biotechnology courses. So I got the request about the biotechnology videos. So I am not sure if the requester is requesting for courses or a career related pathway after the biotechnology. So if it is courses, then this video is for you. So you can see here this course, all of the course which I am showing here, except this one, this will be provided with the certificate, but these are not providing in a certificate. These are from Udemy, which are free courses. So you can enroll and gain the knowledge. If you want to start your career in biotechnology, then you can just enroll to these courses. These courses will be having a little amount of on-demand video. You can see a 38 minutes of on-demand video, and another. These are the top rated courses. So I have selected only top rated courses. So you can see here 1 hour and 24 minutes of the on-demand video will be there. So these all are related to the biotechnology. So you can see here molecular mechanics of SARS-CoV-2. So all these courses are free. You can enroll to these courses and you can gain the knowledge. And this is another course which is premium course. You can see 700 rupees, and also it is a bestseller and with high rating. If this price is affordable to you, then you can purchase if you want to do your career in biotechnology. So this is the video for today. So before finishing up, I would like to say something. Why should you support me? So I won't take more than 1 minute. So these are the points which I would like to say. The first point is that your suggestion will be taken into consideration. All of the suggestions which I got till today, I have provided the videos for all of that suggestions and all of that requests. And all of my videos will be less than 10 minutes. I won't waste your time, and my videos will be point to point, and I won't explain more. So this is the second advantage, and you will be getting free courses in this channel, and you will be getting career related videos everything in this channel. So please support me. So these are the advantages of those who support me. So there are no disadvantage. I will be providing the free courses, and the main thing that I will be providing the selected free courses. Means those courses which are having 2.9 ratings, I won't be providing that. So here there are so many courses of the biotechnology, but only the top rated courses I have provided. So like that, I will be providing the top rated courses only. I won't be providing less rated or not that much good courses. So you can trust me and you can just subscribe my channel. Please share this video with all of your friends, and we should come together to support the India's government's initiative of Startup India and Make in India. So we are the young minds and we should support. Thank you guys.